Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage hook and code on your threads. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your threads. Now go to your account. Now select your threads and press on these three dots. Here you can see the option of hook and reply and code. Click on this. Now choose any option. From here you can see three options. Anyone, profiles if follow and mentioned only. You can choose any option. That's it. So this is how to manage hook and code on your threads. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.